Okay, hey everyone, I'm here in the Midnight Reader, and today I wanted to talk about different types of signed books, or how we sign books often today. I have a few examples here today, but what I'll do is I'll start with this one. So with this copy of CJ Box that's signed, it's very interesting actually. So here at the start, we have your typical like author signature, but if we go in a couple pages to the title page, it's actually signed to someone specifically. So when a book is signed to someone specifically, or there's like a little note in there, it's called an inscription. So this one's inscribed by the author, whereas copies like this one, these are all like really modern ones. This one is just signed. And something interesting too is this paper is actually different from the rest. So what happened here is the author got sent a lot of just the sheet, and she would have signed all the sheets, and then it would have been bound into the book in the binding process. So she never actually held this book, she just held that piece of paper, where CJ Box had to physically been brought this book, or talked to someone who had this, signed it, maybe they sent it to him. But I also just wanted to quickly talk about a third kind of signature. It's kind of similar to the Bearer of Bones. So this is our signed Robert Frost, Hard Not to Be King. Hard Not to Be King. And in here, so it's signed by Frost, but you'll notice it's also actually part of a numbered collection. So this one was actually bound, published, and made specifically to be a limited edition signed by Robert Frost. And so that makes it slightly different from these other two. The Bearer of Bones was, I believe, the first print of every book in that edition were signed. So kind of similar, but not quite. But yeah, those are kind of a few examples of how books are signed and a different type of signatures, inscriptions. I just wanted to share those with you.